Hey guys, welcome back to the series of HTML programming. In the previous video, we have learned to create the hyperlinks and navigate it to other web pages. And in this video, we will learn to add some images to your web page. So let's get started. Alright, for website to be more interesting and interactive, we use some images in our web page. But how do we import them? The tag we use for importing the image into web page is less than image is equal to src, that is equal to the inverted commas. And here in this inverted commas, you need to mention the image URL or the image location. So I have downloaded some image from the internet to import them into the web page. So one thing you should notice is the images I downloaded are in the same location where the HTML page is located. I'll tell you why in few seconds. So as you can see here, the image name is 1.jpg. And now in the HTML file, I'll say less than image src is equal to 1.jpg. Here you need not to mention the whole location because the image is located in the same location where the file is. If the image is located at any other place, then you need to mention the whole location of the image. And now I'll save this file and see the output. And this gave me the image in the web page. So similarly, I'll add the remaining two images into the web page. So I'll copy this and paste for other two times and change the names of the images. So in the previous video, while discussing about the anchor tag, we have given a title attribute, right? So the title attribute is used to view any description about the link. So similarly, if you want to give any description about the image, you have to use the same attribute title. So I'll say title is equal to hello. So I'll save this file and I'll open the browser, and if I hover on this image, I got the title as hello. And now there is an attribute called alt. So why we use this? If there is any problem while loading the image, you can give some alternate text view. So here I'll say alt is equal to alternate text, and I'll save this file, and if you see the output, I got the image, and if I hover on this, I get hello, the title. So the image is successfully loaded. But how do we test the attribute alt is working or not? For that, I'll remove this src attribute from the tag, then the image will not be loaded, and I'll save this file and open the browser. So here I got my alternate text. And now you can set the width and height of the image. So for that, you have to mention them as the attribute of the tag. So width is equal to 200 and height is equal to 200. So these values are the pixel values. So save this file and open the browser. So the image is set to the width and height of 200 pixels. And now you can use an image as a hyperlink. So let's see how. So I'll clear all these things, and now I'll say less than a href, that is equal to first.html, and in this anchor tag I'll give the image, that is less than image src equal to 1.jpg, and I'll close this anchor tag. So save this file, and if you see the output, you have the image, and if you click on this image, it will redirect to the first.html page. So that's about the images. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.